Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your phone model, OS version, and free storage so installations succeed. Next, sign into the VPN provider web dashboard and copy your username, password, and server address. Once done, open Wi-Fi or mobile data and disable airplane mode so the connection can be tested. Now install the provider's official app from the Play Store or App Store. Avoid third-party clients to reduce configuration complexity. Open the VPN app and accept the minimum permissions it requests. This allows the app to create a secure tunnel. Choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, IKEv2 for stability, OpenVPN for compatibility, and enter the server address plus your credentials. Once you import or create a profile, enable the kill switch and auto-connect so apps won't leak data if VPN drops. Make sure split tunneling is set only for apps you trust. This controls which traffic bypasses the tunnel. Tap Connect and watch for the VPN icon in your status bar. This confirms the tunnel is active. Verify by loading a browser and checking your public IP or running a DNS leak test. This proves traffic routes through the VPN. If connection fails, switch protocols first, then reboot the phone and re-enter credentials. Make sure date/time are correct because certificate validation depends on them. If problems persist, contact provider support with app logs, but try toggling mobile data and Wi-Fi before that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.